Students, today our topic is cash book. Cash book is a peculiar subsidiary book. Why we are calling it as peculiar or a special type of subsidiary book? Cash book is a subsidiary book as well as it is a ledger. So we can call it as cash book or cash account. It is also termed as receipts and payment account. The cash book has two sides, debit side and credit side. No subsidiary book has two sides, debit side and credit side, but cash book has two sides, debit side and credit side. The cash book starts with the debit side. It starts with the opening balance of cash. At the same time, it ends with the closing balance of cash. Then debit side, all cash receipts are recorded, and the credit side, all cash payments are recorded. In cash book, credit transactions are not recorded, and non-cash items such as depreciation, bad debts, outstanding expenses, accrued income are not to be recorded. The cash book prepared by chief cashier, he can prepare three type of cash book, namely single column cash book, double column cash book and triple column cash book. Today we are going to learn about single column cash book. First we'll go through the format of single column cash book. Yes. In subsidiary book we are learning cash book. In cash book we are learning single or simple. We can call it as single column cash book or simple cash book, which has two sides, debit side and credit side. Date, receipts, RN. What is RN? RN means receipt number. When we receive money, we'll get receipt. That receipt we have to record here. Then ledger folio, then cash. Credit side, date, payments. Date, payments. VN given. VN means voucher number. VN means voucher number. When we receive money, we'll get receipt. That number we have to write here. When we make payment to others, we have to give voucher. So that voucher number we have to specify here. Then cash column, credit side. This is the format of single column cash book. Now we'll solve the problem. Yes. Enter the following transaction in a single column cash book. 2017 January 1st, cash in hand. Earlier I said cash book starts with the debit side with the opening balance of cash. Yes, 1st January 2017, it starts with the opening balance of cash. Opening balance of cash. How much? 11,200. If it is a new business, the cash book starts with capital. If it is an existing business, it starts with the opening balance of cash. Here cash in hand is given, so we can consider this one as existing business. Yes. Then 5, received cash from Ramesh. So we are receiving money from Ramesh. It is a receipt to us, so we can record on the debit side of cash book. To Ramesh account, we received how much? 300 rupees. Next, paid rent. We are making payment, so it will be recorded in the credit side since it is a payment. By rent paid. By rent paid 30. First one completed, second one, third one completed. Then next one, sold goods for cash. When we sell goods, we are receiving money, so it is receipt. We can write it on the debit side. So sold goods for cash. So it is a cash sales. Cash sales receipt. It will be recorded in the debit side. Next, very important. Here we are receiving check. Students, listen carefully. When we receive check, please treat it as a cash received. Once again I am repeating, when we receive check, treat it as cash received. So check received from Rama 200. So treat it as a cash received to Rama account. How much? 200. 10th one, salary paid. It is a payment made by the check. Listen carefully. When we receive check, treat it as a cash received. When we issue check, when we make payment through check, it will not be recorded in the cash book because the payment made by the banker, so it will not come. So once again I am repeating, when we receive check, it will be recorded in the cash book because we have to treat check received as cash received. When we issue check, the payment made by the banker, it will not be recorded in the single column cash book. Okay, it will not be recorded. Next, paid Morgan. So we are making payment to the Morgan. It is an expense. Payment to us, it will be recorded in the credit side. How much? 700. Next, 27. Purchased furniture by cash. Purchased furniture by cash. It is a payment. It will be recorded in the credit side. By furniture account. How much? 200 rupees. Then insurance paid. It is a payment. It will be recorded in the credit side. Insurance paid. It is a payment recorded in the credit side. Okay, students, listen carefully. Cash book, there are three types: single, double and triple. Now we are learning single column cash book. Single column cash book, debit side all cash receipts are recorded, credit side all cash payments are recorded. We have problem with the check transaction. When we receive check, when business receive check, it will be recorded in the debit side. When business issued check to others, it will be recorded in bank account, not in the cash book. Yes, now we will balance this. Then in cash book, always the cash column is heavier than. In cash book debit side is heavier than credit side. Always cash book, cash column always heavier than credit side. Debit side is heavier than credit side. Yes, 11,500, 12,000. Always cash book debit side heavier than credit side. So our debit total 12,000, credit total 1,030. 1,030. Balance 10,970. It is by balance CD, closing date of the month. It will be the opening balance of February month. The closing balance of January is the opening balance of February. Students, we completed single column cash book. In next class, we'll solve double column cash book.